हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। सो आज इस वीडियो में हाउ टू सेट रिंगटोन और चेंज रिंगटोन आई विल शो यू। सो यू हैव टू बस जस्ट follow my steps and copy. First, open settings. I was using Iqoo Z9. So after open settings, come in sound and vibration setting. Sound and vibration setting. After that, scroll down and find phone ringtone. Then you can select this one, this system ringtones on lower side, and custom ringtone means memory downloaded songs. You can select and save on this. So friends, this is how you can save and set ringtone and change ringtone. So friends, please follow our YouTube channel and like and subscribe. Thank you.